Video number 14, Shocking LinkedIn Case Studies. AICPA. The American Institute of CPAs is undoubtedly the world's largest association of members belonging to the accounting profession. To enhance the exchange of relevant knowledge and resources between members, it was felt that an engaging community-building tool was required. The objective of AICPA was to build an online community to foster the free exchange of ideas among its accounting professionals. The added benefit was that it would allow members to groom their social media skills and would be considered a benefit of AICPA membership. AICPA created a members-only group and subgroups on LinkedIn and used LinkedIn display ads and AICPA social media channels to promote the group's availability. Today, with more than 60,000 members and regularly ongoing vibrant, insightful discussions on LinkedIn groups, LinkedIn has become the top driver of traffic to AICPA's website. It is also playing a crucial role in developing brand awareness and connecting with members to highlight AICPA's resources. ADP. Even after 60 years of experience in providing business outsourcing solutions, ADP faced a unique problem. Mostly, it was viewed as a payroll company. ADP wanted to raise its brand profile and highlight the company's expertise in human capital management services by enhancing its online presence. ADP relaunched its LinkedIn company page to clearly showcase what it stands for. They posted targeted status updates to well-defined groups of followers, which became a game-changer for ADP. Within just 1 year of the company page relaunch, followers doubled and non-employee followers grew to 70%. Today, LinkedIn is the #1 social reference for ADP and plays an important role in shaping their brand image. BI Worldwide. BI Worldwide is one of the world's leading experts on engagement. What distinguishes BI Worldwide in a competitive marketplace is its unique approach, grounded in principles of behavioral economics. BI Worldwide wanted to increase engagement and generate quality leads by sharing relevant content with a targeted audience. LinkedIn's precise targeting, advertisement, and content sharing features offered the best solution. BI Worldwide made use of display ads, a company page, follower ads, and sponsored in-mails. After the awareness-building efforts on LinkedIn, its company page followers have grown from 2,000 to more than 14,000, with more than 26% new high-quality leads from display ads alone. HP. After a humble inception in a rented garage in 1939, Hewlett-Packard has grown into a leading technology company. 2010 marked the rise of another significant era for HP, with the launch of its LinkedIn company page. HP was looking to generate mass recommendations for its products and services to drive leads and conversions in a cost-effective manner. An actively maintained company page, along with LinkedIn recommendation ads, did wonders towards achieving this. 2,000-plus product recommendations were created within 2 weeks, and 20,000 new followers were added to the HP company page. Simply put, the campaign went viral, generating over 500,000 LinkedIn updates and doubling the traffic to the HP products and services page. Cetera Financial Group. Cetera Financial Group provides services like wealth management, advisory platforms, and investment advice to independent financial professionals and financial institutions. As such, it is always required to increase exposure with financial professionals, but Cetera wanted to take this a step further. They wanted to increase their reach to more of their targeted audience and personalize communications to drive better engagement. Cetera used LinkedIn display ads. With LinkedIn's precisely targeted reach, based on anonymous business demographic data, ads were only seen by the professionals in finance Cetera wanted to target. Within 3 months after the campaign launch, Cetera's website received more than 900 new visitors thanks to LinkedIn. In terms of business, around $1 million was added purely by LinkedIn marketing. Autopilot HQ. Founded in 2012 under the name Bizler Inc., Autopilot provides multi-channel technology solutions to help companies automate their marketing process. The company's own marketing team wanted to implement effective ways for generating high-quality leads, conversions, and build brand awareness. LinkedIn-sponsored updates proved to be an ideal fit for this purpose. These updates allowed Autopilot to deliver highly visible, relevant content to their specific audience. Not only was this campaign low cost, it delivered excellent results. Click-to-conversion rates almost tripled, allowing the brand to reach the right people, and in time sparked organic sharing as well. eCornell. eCornell is an online learning subsidiary of Cornell University, offering more than 30 professional certification programs. eCornell's unique approach is bringing the best of Ivy League education to the outside world. eCornell's website receives a lot of traffic, but deciding upon an online certification program can be a lengthy process. eCornell wanted to better engage prospects with their program and speed up this decision-making process. LinkedIn Lead Accelerator offered exactly that. After prospects visited eCornell's website, they were kept engaged by a series of offers for eCornell's Executive Leadership Program by LinkedIn-sponsored updates and display ads. Landing page conversion rates doubled as a result, and the cost of retargeting was 3 times lower. DocuSign. A global standard for digital transaction management, DocuSign simply takes pen and paper out of the transaction business. But with a lot of skepticism still prevailing about digital signatures, bringing new leads into the top of the funnel and converting them was a big challenge for DocuSign. Their marketing team decided to leverage LinkedIn's InMail to encourage signups for roundtables and webinar discussions specifically designed to build a community of sales gurus. Their target was to build relationships with sales operations executives of U.S. companies with more than 500 employees. They built a community of over 350, creating large pipeline opportunities. Using LinkedIn's social sign-in for roundtable registration alone contributed to a 25% increase in registrations. Postcard Mania. Postcard Mania creates innovative direct mail marketing campaigns for small businesses all over the U.S. Starting with just a computer and a phone, today the company has become a one-of-a-kind success story. However, its success with social media was at a standstill until the company started connecting with its audience, i.e., small businesses, over LinkedIn. Postcard Mania adopted a simple and effective approach. Share unique and relevant content to connect with people. Then, engage your connections on a personalized level to generate fruitful leads. Postcard Mania was able to get more than 600 leads and actual business of approximately $72,000 from LinkedIn alone. Penman Public Relations. Penman Public Relations aims at providing solutions to its clients which create real measurable impact on the achievement of their organizational goals. To this end, they used LinkedIn to gather information required by one of their clients. Penman needed to conduct research related to high-end gaming systems to facilitate a product launch for its client. They used discussion posts on LinkedIn groups to get authentic feedback. Furthermore, they connected with responders over personal emails to get specific user expectations. It not only benefited the product launch for their client, but also increased visibility of Penman as well as their client among gamers and developers.